Hello everybody, it's Friday and what a week it's been. I'm going to celebrate by having a drink. Today we're making a Pornstar Martini, which is a fun drink to make. So here's what you need. You need your shaker and strainer, you need some pineapple chunks, your muddler, a spoon, some passion fruit puree. We also need a few jiggers here. You need 15ml, you need 25ml, you need 50ml, you need some vanilla syrup, some vanilla vodka, a passion fruit, some ice, and a really good attitude. Let's make this drink. Step one is to grab your shaker and your pineapple. You basically want to put either a pineapple ring, if you're working with rings, or about a ring's worth of chunks, which I'm going to say is about 5 chunks. So 5 chunks of pineapple going in. There's 2, 3, 4, and 5. Get your muddler and muddle those little pineapple bits. Very satisfying after a long week actually to squish this pineapple. Grab yourself your vanilla vodka. Here I have Absolute because I'm not sure where else you get vanilla vodka from, and Absolute do it. And you want 50ml. Next up, you want 15ml of your vanilla syrup here. You're going to need 25ml of your passion fruit puree here. You need an entire passion fruit, but at this point only half. So cut your passion fruit in half, like so. And then you just sort of squish it in there. It might need teasing with a spoon because sometimes it's reluctant, but that's okay. Just get involved. Fill your shaker with ice. Put on your lid, like so, and shake. There we go. You have to strain it into your chilled martini glass that should have been kept in the fridge. Now, you need the other half of your passion fruit going in like that. Passion fruit floats. Fun fact, time for champagne. Now, it's kind of the thing with Pornstar Martinis. You can either have a shot of champagne and the martini as it is, or you can put your shot of champagne in the martini. I'm doing that because it's fun. Happy Friday! And there we have it, one Pornstar Martini. How good does that look? Cheers, everyone. Oh, hello. That is amazing and really good fun to make. And I have to say, made my Friday evening much, much better. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, make sure you subscribe, and I will see you very, very soon. Goodbye.